Okay, go.
Is it playing? Is it
Yes.
playing?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm silly right now. So, we're here at the waterfront
Miss
hotel
Irene
in
Desabel.
Lahore. Today is our ring up ceremony and
Please
you
prepare Miss Maria Teresa
you can't hear me anymore. I need to shout. Okay, there. Don't get too close. As of now, Mel J is holding the camera so that you can see the face and the outfit.
Okay.
What? Yes, okay. Okay,
me,
hold
Mel
it
J.
now. Okay.
Wala na siya. There. That's Mel J. You know her. Always on YouTube. Everybody knows her.
You know the dancing
Oh, wala pa di ay, oh.
and then shalala.
Miss
Oh.
Maria Teresa
Oh, the next ad. There. That's my mama.
Mr. Franklin Fuentes.
And that's Real's mama. And the real.
Hello.
I'm pretty. Yun na yun.
I'm beautiful.
Ay, oh, na-improve na siya. Na-improve na siya, actually.
Then balik na ako. Karon, magtuyok-tuyok sa ako.
Mr. Franklin
Wait,
Fuentes.
sorry.
Joey.
Please prepare
Joey, hi.
Mr. John Olen.
Yes. Joey, okay. Oh, Melji, you hold this for me, okay?
Okay, gotcha. There you go. Okay, as of now, magpasok-pasok ko so that you can see the faces of other people na naadiri ka. Okay, so let's go. Kuya ka?
Okay.
Iki-hold or ako iki-interview? What's about?
Once again,
We do it right now. Pwede mamaya na lang.
Ano ka rin mo? Kasi pasok ko rin.
Mr. John Olen.
Uy, naghuwat na sila silang tawgon ng
Please
uro.
prepare Miss
It's
Maricel
okay, si Sherwin. Nandito si
Hernandez.
Puto.
Asa mo kasi?
Nandito si Sherwin.
Ah, si Sherwin. Oh, gaga.
Ihiya ako later na lang. So we'll cut this. You say the bye-bye. Bye-bye muna. Bye-bye.